Welcome to Inside Builder channel. How to implement tools in CrewAI. Video 02 of multi-part series. Understanding the ecosystem of CrewAI tools. Inside CrewAI, there is a separate package called as CrewAI tools, which contains various different types of Crew tools that has been already implemented. Here we see the top level tool types. So there are around 8 top level tool types. Code interpreter tool is one of the important tool that I will be separately discussing. We have different types of RAG tools ranging from CSV, PDF, text, XML RAG tools, file system tools. We have web search tools. Web search and web scraping tools are a lot of different tools are available, and SQL CRUD tools, meaning you can interact with the SQL databases by using natural language, and vision tools, DALI vision tool, and also open source vision tool models. All of these tools are available. I'll be diving into the tools details in a minute, but before that I would like to show 2 different ways in which custom tools can be implemented. First, there is a base tool inheriting process where you use CrewAI tools and import base tool, or you can import CrewAI tools and import the tool as a decorator. So there are 2 different options that is present. Let us first go to the base tool method. So in case of base tool method, you are going to create a my custom tool class, which is going to have a name and a description. The name should be the name of your tool in a clear descriptive fashion, and the description should tell what the tool is capable of doing. And then this tool has to implement a _run method. So this _run method is what gets executed when your tool is called by the agent. If you are new to CrewAI series of videos or CrewAI framework as a whole, then I would suggest you to take a look at my other videos in this playlist. Fine. The other option that is present is using the tool decorator. The tool decorator is also similar to the base tool, but we are going to use a decorator on top of the function. Here the function name is my_tool, and we are going to use the question as the args that we will be expecting from the tool call. And then we have to give a doc string. This is one of the important part of the tool decorator option. If you don't give this doc string, you will get an error. So you have to provide this doc string, and then the function logic can be implemented right in the function body itself. So you don't need to have any other kind of a method that we spoke about in this run method, right? You don't need to have that kind of a stuff. And you can take a look at the example here. It's a very basic example where I am trying to print the arguments that the function is getting. So here print _args_tool will be getting some arguments. I'm just printing it in the function body here and also returning it. If you come back to the print args tool class, so you will see the name and description, and finally under the run I'm just printing the key value args. I'm not even returning that. Here the intention of giving you a very basic example of tools is to make you wrap around make your head wrap around the concept of tools, and also make it clear that these tools are just Python functions, right? Let us go back to the tools in CrewAI. So if you go to this particular link, which I will be sharing in the link description below, you will be getting all these various kinds of tools that is present in the CrewAI ecosystem. If you visit the CrewAI GitHub repo and go to their CrewAI Inc. Organization, you will be able to get the CrewAI tools package also, where you will get more details about these tools, the documentation, and how the things are working. That's all for this video.